Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Eagle, local and long distance movers near me. When you relocate over a distance of 50 miles or more, whether outside the state or within, it is a long-distance move. Distance is not an issue for us. We've got a working relationship with the authorities in charge of long-distance relocation. We also have standard moving trucks that transport your belongings. Our moving trucks are strong and well-maintained. They are spacious, and every one of your items is safe in them. Our movers handle your items with care for the entire moving process. They organize and load them into the trucks. When you need a temporary storage for your items, our movers can help you nicely pack your inventory so you only need a smaller storage space. All of our drivers have licenses to make long-distance moves. They are extremely respectful, law-abiding, and follow every highway rule. Your items get to you on time with everything in excellent condition. We provide the best local moving services in Eagle, Idaho. Only expert movers can pull off a fast and smooth move in a busy city like Eagle. We know all the local and major routes and deliver prompt and satisfactory services. We have good relationships with locals because of our unique delivery style. Although local moves are usually cheap, our local moving service is the cheapest you can find in Eagle. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Eagle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.